friends, welcome to my home. I'm so glad to have you. If you are new here, my name is Kelsey. Today I'm decorating for fall and bringing you all along. This is definitely one of my favorite times of the year. It is so magical, all of the vibrant, fun colors, and I do get bored of home decor, so I love switching things up during the holiday seasons. So I hope I can give you some inspiration. I'm gonna show you how I style things and so much more. There's a lot to get through. I have been doing this for the past few days, so it's definitely been a labor of love. So you might see me in a few different outfits in this video, but I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna stop rambling so we can get right into it. Let's go. Some before clips of this space. As you can see, everything is light toned, very neutral, and I am pretty bored with this, so I'm excited to change things up. I want to add in some burnt orange, just warmer tones to really make this space feel cozy and inviting for the fall season. I think we can all agree that there's something magical that happens when seasons change, specifically fall, because there's so much newness in the air with the weather change, the colors, and I love bringing out all of my fall scented candles and picking out a good show or movie. Right now I'm really into Allison Bickerstaff. If you don't follow her on YouTube, she's so inspiring. Definitely recommend. I started decorating by removing the picture frames from my bookshelf. I still have not filled these frames with pictures, and they've been up for months and months, which is horrible. I know I'm a procrastinator, but I had an idea to fill them with pictures that I've taken from previous years in the fall season, so at the pumpkin patch, and it's such an easy way to incorporate fall decor at such an affordable price. I'm sure I'll do this during the Christmas time as well. I am really happy with how the prints turned out, and I will show you later on in the video how I styled them on the bookshelf and how it all came together. But moving along for right now, I do want to show some floral arrangements that I created. I love having different stems in my house throughout the whole year, but specifically fall because it's so cozy. I love all the textures that you can bring in. I used a lot of warm colors, some feathers, pampas grass, and I got everything from Joann's and Michael's. They were also on a really great sale. I think both stores had them for 60% off. I don't think I'll ever be able to part from my fall scented candles, but I have been really loving my wax warmer that I got from Walmart. I also get my wax cubes there. They're very inexpensive, and my favorite scent right now is the lemon pumpkin. It's just the right amount of freshness, but also warmth, and it fills up my whole kitchen. You guys have to try it. Now for this next portion of the video, I'm gonna put on some good music. I want you to sit back, relax, and just enjoy watching me decorate. If you guys have any questions of where something is from, leave me a comment, but I will also tag my fall home decor haul video that I just did a few weeks ago, and that is a good resource of where I got most things. So grab a snack or your favorite beverage and just enjoy.
With your heart on your sleeve. take my love and hide it away from those who steal till I find my way. How will I call? How will I call? How will I call? Can't sleep, but I'm hardly awake. A limbo dance, such a fine romance. Bit by bit, I am slowly waking to see what's real, to finally heal. How will I call without your word?
Just checking in again. Hope you're enjoying seeing it all come together. I'm really happy I get to decorate this year because last year we were selling our condo in October and we didn't move in to this house until the end of November. So it's my first time and it's been a treat to try and put everything together, find where everything is gonna go. To me, it's like a puzzle. It's a lot of trial and error, trying to see what works and what doesn't. But I am really happy that I decided to get pillows this year. I feel like that actually made the room with all of the warmth it brings. I got the 2 burnt orange Euro size pillows from Target. I love the velvet material, it's very soft, and these just bring such a cozy vibe into the room. I was a little nervous to decorate with this burnt orange color. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but honestly, I'm hooked. I think it really made such a statement in this space. I wanted to keep our dining table pretty simple this year, so I kept everything minimalistic. Everything you see on the table except the plates are from HomeGoods, the napkin rings, the napkins, the placemats, and the candle. The plates, though, are from Macy's a few years back. I'll try and find the link if I can. Here's just an overview of our main living area. This console table is right next to our dining table, and it's one of my favorite places in our house, specifically that mirror. It's such a statement. I always get questions about it, and that is from HomeGoods. Where else? I recently just saw a few more at my local HomeGoods, so if you're looking, I would check it out. And then I added some fall florals to the vase, and it really pops. Another idea to bring in the fall spirit into your home is to get smart bulbs off Amazon because you can change them to whatever color you want. I recently just got this orb and it's so cool because it illuminates this entire area, whereas before it was really dark and uninteresting. And I also put smart bulbs throughout our living and kitchen area, and it's such a vibe at night.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. You in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight.
That is where I'm going to end the video today. I hope you guys were all inspired and found some ideas to decorate your own homes for fall. I really enjoyed bringing you all along. It would mean a lot if you guys liked this video and subscribed if you aren't already. I would love to have you. I wish I could invite all of you over to my home so we could have fall-inspired charcuterie boards and apple cider. How fun would that be? We should make that happen someday. But I wish you guys all an amazing month of October. And this is my goodbye from Monkey and I. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!